What if your body had the power to heal itself without relying on medicines? Ancient Buddhist wisdom reveals 10 powerful rules that unlock your natural ability to restore health and balance. These principles have stood the test of time, offering a path to true wellness. Stay with us to transform your life. Meditation aligns the mind and body, creating a state of inner harmony that allows healing to take place naturally. When the mind is restless, the body follows, manifesting stress in the form of illness, fatigue, and emotional imbalance. Through consistent meditation, the nervous system calms, stress levels drop, and the body enters a state where healing becomes effortless. Science confirms what ancient Buddhist teachings have always known. Meditation reduces inflammation, lowers blood pressure, and even improves immune function. Those who practice daily meditation often report feeling lighter, more energetic, and mentally clear. It is not merely about sitting in silence, but about allowing the mind to detach from constant chatter and reconnect with the body's innate wisdom. A wandering mind is a suffering mind, but a mind at peace creates a body that thrives. Thoughts shape reality, and the body listens to the stories the mind tells. If the mind constantly dwells on stress, fear, or doubt, the body responds by producing stress hormones, increasing inflammation, and weakening the immune system. Positive thinking is not about ignoring reality, but about choosing an empowering perspective. The mind is like a garden. If it is filled with weeds of negativity, sickness, and suffering take root. However, if it is cultivated with gratitude, hope, and self-belief, it flourishes with energy and strength. Ancient Buddhist wisdom teaches that suffering originates from within, and so does healing. Those who consciously shift their thoughts from self-doubt to self-compassion experience profound changes in their overall well-being. When the mind embraces possibility, the body follows, creating an environment where healing becomes not just possible but inevitable. Self-love and self-care are the foundation upon which true healing stands. Many neglect their own well-being, believing that giving endlessly to others is noble. However, a depleted body and a restless mind cannot serve anyone. Buddhism teaches that one must first cultivate love within before offering it outward. This means nourishing the body with proper food, resting when needed, and embracing practices that restore balance. Many illnesses stem from neglect, lack of sleep, poor diet, chronic stress, all symptoms of a deeper disconnection from oneself. Prioritizing self-care is not selfish. It is an act of deep wisdom. Just as a tree cannot provide shade if its roots are weak, a person cannot live fully if they are constantly running on empty. Food is not just fuel, it is medicine, or it is poison. Every bite consumed either nourishes or depletes the body. Buddhist monks practice mindful eating by focusing on every sensation, chewing slowly, and appreciating the journey of the food before it reaches the plate. This level of awareness transforms the simple act of eating into an act of healing. Modern science aligns with this practice, showing that mindful eating improves digestion, prevents overeating, and enhances overall health. Many diseases arise from the unconscious habit of consuming food mindlessly, eating in a rush, or choosing processed substances that burden the body. Those who slow down, chew thoroughly, and appreciate their meals often notice increased energy, improved digestion, and a deeper connection to their body's needs. Food is sacred, and by treating it as such, one invites healing with every meal. The body craves structure, and daily routines create a rhythm that enhances well-being. Without a sense of order, life feels chaotic and stress accumulates. A morning routine that includes mindful movement, meditation, or even a simple moment of gratitude sets the tone for the entire day. Likewise, a nighttime ritual that promotes relaxation ensures deep, restorative sleep, which is essential for healing. The body thrives on consistency. Erratic schedules, late nights, and overstimulation weaken its natural ability to recover. A structured day allows the nervous system to feel safe, reducing cortisol levels and allowing the body to focus on regeneration rather than survival. Small habits, when repeated daily, become the building blocks of lasting health. Nature holds the power to heal in ways modern medicine is only beginning to understand. Buddhist teachings emphasize the deep connection between humans and the natural world, recognizing that separation from nature leads to imbalance and disease. Walking barefoot on the earth, breathing fresh air, and being surrounded by greenery have profound physiological effects. Studies confirm that spending time in nature reduces stress hormones, strengthens the immune system, and even improves cognitive function. Many ailments of modern life, anxiety, depression, chronic fatigue, are symptoms of disconnection. Reconnecting with nature is one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to restore balance. The earth provides all that is needed for healing, and those who embrace its energy find renewed vitality. Simplicity creates space for wellness. A cluttered life, whether physical, mental, or emotional, leads to unnecessary stress and distraction. The teachings of Buddhism highlight the value of minimalism, not in deprivation but in creating room for what truly matters. Letting go of excess possessions, commitments, and thoughts allows the body and mind to breathe. When energy is scattered across too many obligations, the body remains in a constant state of tension, preventing healing. By simplifying daily life, one cultivates clarity, peace, and deeper well-being. The less the mind is burdened, the lighter the body feels. Minimalism is not about having nothing, but about having only what is truly needed. The subconscious mind governs behavior, emotions, and even physical health. Most people operate on deeply ingrained patterns without realizing the power they hold. Buddhist philosophy teaches that awareness of the subconscious allows one to reshape reality. Through visualization, affirmations, and meditation, the mind can be reprogrammed to promote healing rather than disease. If the subconscious believes in illness, the body manifests symptoms. But when the subconscious is fed with thoughts of vitality and strength, the body aligns accordingly. This is not mystical, it is scientific. The placebo effect demonstrates the immense power of belief. People heal simply because they expect to. Those who harness the subconscious as a tool for wellness experience transformative health benefits. Modern medicine offers tools, but it often treats symptoms rather than root causes. True healing requires understanding that the body is not just a collection of organs, but an interconnected system of energy, emotions, and thoughts. Many chronic diseases stem from unresolved stress, poor lifestyle habits, and emotional wounds rather than purely biological dysfunctions. Medicine can suppress symptoms, but without addressing the deeper imbalances, illness persists. Integrating the best of both worlds, modern advancements with ancient wisdom, creates a holistic approach where healing becomes sustainable. Instead of relying solely on external treatments, one must cultivate an internal environment where health flourishes naturally. The body possesses an incredible ability to heal itself when given the right conditions. Every cell is programmed to repair, regenerate, and thrive. The problem arises when the body is overloaded with toxins, stress, and negative energy, blocking its natural processes. Healing is not something that happens from the outside, it is a process that emerges from within. By practicing meditation, shifting thoughts, embracing self-care, eating mindfully, maintaining healthy routines, connecting with nature, simplifying life, harnessing the subconscious, understanding medicine's role, and trusting the body's wisdom, one creates the perfect environment for healing. It is not about waiting for a cure, but about actively participating in the journey of wellness. Those who apply these 10 principles notice profound shifts, not only in their health, but in every aspect of life. Healing is not a mystery. It is the natural state of being when mind, body, and spirit are in alignment. True wellness is not about adding more, but about removing what obstructs the body's intelligence. When unnecessary stress, toxic habits, and negative thoughts are eliminated, healing happens effortlessly. The body already knows what to do. The only question is whether we will allow it.